Previous video we have discussed about the types of equilibrium constant. Here we were having equilibrium constant. There are two types of equilibrium constant. One is Kc, another is Kp. Kc, which is related to molarity, means number of moles per volume, and here Kp is basically related to gaseous state. Okay, it includes pressure is directly proportional to number of moles per unit volume. Okay, here this means you're gonna talk about partial pressure. So now let's see some of the examples of these, we can say Kc and Kp. For example, if you are, we can say, asked to write equation, write expression and unit for Kc, Kc and Kp. Okay, so now for suppose this is one reaction CaCO3. Here we have what gaseous, solid, will give CaO solid plus CO2 gas. Okay, so now you have to do like what? Now you will make the unit of Kc and Kp for this equation. For example, Kc will be what? Here you can see Kc will be only, we can say the, basically Kc will be only here which are in the gaseous state, like, okay, which are in the gaseous state. Okay, so here Kc will be CO2. Okay, Kc will be not like Kc is equal to CaO plus CO2 plus CaCO3. No, this is wrong. Here Kc will be CO2 because CO2 is in the gaseous state. Okay, and the active masses of, because why I only taken the gaseous state, because the active mass of solid is constant. Now here you can see we have only two solids. यहाँ पे तो दोनों ही solids हैं. So the active mass of solid is constant. That's why I took here the gaseous. You can suppose it is 1. Okay. So yeah, now if you are going to ask about the equation of Kp, okay, Kp equation. So here Kp will be equal to what? Kp will be equal to partial pressure of CO2. Okay, and this is expressed in ATM. Okay, I hope this is also clear to you guys, because the concentration of solid of active mass is constant. That's why I took here, we can say gaseous, and I took here partial pressure of gas. Okay, now we have second equation. Now you may try this first, then look into it. N2O4 is the reversible reaction, 2NO2 gaseous, and this is in the solid. Now try to find out the units of Kc and Kp for this equation. Okay, for suppose here Kc will be equal to NO2 की power 2. Okay, NO2 की power 2, because here we have what? Here we have basically, this is also in gaseous, sorry, here we both have gaseous, so we're gonna write like this. दोनों gaseous के अंदर हैं, so we're gonna write like this. ठीक है, and now this will be equal to, if you are going to write the unit, so here we have mole per liter. 2, here we have 1, means ऊपर जाएगी तो negative, -1. 2 minus 1. Okay, and if you're writing for a Kp, so it will be what? Pressure of NO2, and we can say pressure of N2O4. It will be ATM 2 minus 1. ठीक है, 2 minus 1. I hope you are getting something from this video. After that, let's take another example. We have N2HO2, which is in the liquid, will form H2O, which is in the gas. So here you can see, the Kc will be now equal to what? Kc will be equal to H2O only. Okay, here we can say H2O, and the unit will be mole per liter, and it will be what? It will be basically 1 minus 0, because we have no any value down, so it will be 1 minus 0. Now you might be thinking which H2O I have taken, liquid or solid gas. So remember, the active masses of liquid with a gas is get taken as constant. जब भी कोई liquid mass आएंगे gas के साथ, so liquid mass will be constant. Liquid constant when it come with gas. Okay, remember. So here we have taken off liquid. Now same goes for the Kp. Kp is equal to H2O, same one. Unit will be ATM 1 minus 0. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you guys. Now we are going to discuss about some more examples. For example, here we have another example by taking copper. Copper, which is in the solid state, plus 2Ag positive, which is in the aqueous state, will give copper plus 2 plus 2Ag. Okay. So now you have to do the Kc and Kp. So here Kc will be what? Kc will be Cu2 plus upon, we can say, Ag plus power 2. Unit will be mole per liter. It will be what? It will be 1 minus 2. Here we have 1 minus 2. Okay. So here we have again Kp here is not defined. Not defined because remember Kp we will always take in the gaseous state. Okay, so here we have no any gaseous state, but here Kc we will take in the, we can say, in the aqueous state. So here you can see copper, and we can say this is, these both are in the aqueous state. So Kc we will take in the aqueous state, because you know solid have active mass which is constant or 1. So we're gonna take the, we can say, aqueous state, and Kp is not defined because for Kp we need gases, and here we have no any gases. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now we have last example. So let's have a look. CH3COOH plus H2O give CH3COO plus H3O positive. Fine. Here you can see we have what for Kc will be, we can say, we can put the aqueous AQ. This is AQ. This is in the liter aqueous. So you remember we're gonna take the aqueous. ठीक है, aqueous लेते हैं हम. It will be what? H3O plus CH3COO minus CH3COOH. Okay, because these three are in the aqueous. Now here in the equation we have basically no any gas. No any gas. This means Kp not defined. Not defined. I hope this is clear to you guys. Till that, bye bye.